All right, hello everyone. My name is Alex Shellhaas. I'm the product manager here at Cavallo, and today we're going to talk about how to know when you need to ship out an order for your business. Let's dive into the demo. All right, and so we are on mission control, and one of the big questions we get is how do I set up the process for defining when I should ship documents out? And so what you can do is just define that with workflow. So in order to do that, all you need to do is open up workflow, go into your order workflow, and define that process in here. So anytime a document enters in to ready to pick, all right, the document has been picked. I also need to add a step for packing. I can describe that if I want. I can add the queue, and now I have ready to pick. I have packing. And now let's go ahead and add a ready to ship queue. I can add that. And now at every step of your process, we'll know when you're ready to pick, when you should pack, and when you're ready to ship. Quickly apply those changes. And just like that, you know when your documents are ready to ship. All right, and that's how you know when to ship out an order from Distribution Cloud. If you have any questions or if there's any other topics you'd like us to cover, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks.